Hi friends, I just got my new headset pillow, car headset pillow. This is great to put in your car because sometimes the car's seat won't support your head as you want or as you like, and sometimes it's not comfortable enough. So you put this in your headset in your car seat, and you will have a nice head support. So I'm going to try it. I travel a lot in the car. I drive for long distances, and I am hoping to have a more rested trip with this car headset. Let's try it. Hi friends, as you can see, I have my back pillow already installed. You see, it's really easy to do it, and it will give you a better headrest when you are driving. Okay, so it really feels great. It feels better. Your head has a better resting place, and I think it's great for a long trip. I'm going to try it today. Let's go to San Diego.